Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gas mask on Dress to Impress using the accessory adjustment feature. This is a long one, so before we start, I need to tell you, you'll need the Runway Diva crown, you'll need the Style Showdown crown, and then you'll also need a crown from VIP. So before you'll come at me in the comments, you'll be like, I watched everything, but I don't have that stuff. I am reminding you right now. We're going to need this one first, and I'm just going to enable the VFX. You don't have to. I'm also going to color everything this silver color. For the accessory adjustment, we're going to have Y at 0.27, Z at 0.31. Whoops, sorry. Rotation X at 0.72 and scale at 0. Then we will need the mask, so get the mask, and I'm going to color this one black actually. And for the accessory adjustment, I'm going to put the Y at 0.47, the Z at 0.48, and the scale at 0.43. Get the beanie in black. And then for the position, 0.47. For the Z, 0.48. And the scale at 0.43. Then you are going to want to get this like headpiece. I don't know what it's called. I'm going to just color it the same like silver color. For the adjustments, you'll need Y at 0.29. And then Z at 0.54. Rotation X at 0.19. And the scale at 0.42. Then you are going to get the earmuffs in black. Position it at X at 0.24. Oh, sorry, the Y. My bad. Z at 0.44. Rotation all the way at 1 and scale it down to 0.05. And then we're going to get these earmuffs, and I'm going to color that silver. Let's do silk. Okay. Position this one at 0.25 for the Y. It's pretty similar to that one. Z at 0.44. Rotate that at 0.96 instead of 1. And scale it down to 0.21. Like so. Then for the goggles, we're just going to use these ones. I'm just going to color them black and silver here. Or I'm just going to color it this. So for this one, rotate the X at 0. Position it at Y at 0.45 and Z at 0.57. And you're going to want to scale it down a little bit to 0.33. Then you are going to add in these bows. For the position, Y at 0.22. Z at 0.54. And rotation is at 0 and scale it down to 0.15. like that. And lastly, we have this crown. Wait, not this one, sorry. Where is the other crown? Oh, it's right here. What is wrong with me? So position the Y axis at 0.37, the Z at 0.53, rotation at 0, and scale it down to 0.22. I may have done this one wrong, like the beanie. Okay, maybe it's supposed to be like this a little bit so that it's fully covered. But here is how you can create this gas mask on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!